Good everyone. So you're welcome to CAD Baron. So now I'll be showing you guys how to do a detailed drawing on Autodesk Inventor. So I'll be showing you guys how to do this. Let's see how we can be able to bring out this part list. Maybe we have finished a weldment structure. Let's see how we can be able to bring it out. So if first this is where we start. We have been able to get something like this now. So the name of this particular assemble is just assemble one. So we started from this, as you can see now. We started from this. As you can see now, I've been able to get this done. So the next thing, I'll come to this part. I'll go to File, New, then I'll put it on Assemble. I'll click Place. Then I'll have to look for it, whether the location where I'll get to see that particular job. I'll go to my desktop. And let's see, this is it. So I click on, that's the project. So beneath it, and I'll click on Open. Now it's addressing, I'll say, okay, yes. I'll click here and I'll tap Escape. I'll click here first, then tap Escape to remove the second one appearing. So I have something like this now. As you can see, it can either be like this, but during the drawing, I kept it like this. So let's work with it like this so we can be able to understand it. Then now I come to this part, Design. I click on Insert Frame. Yes, it must be saved. I'll save it, Assembly, Save. So I have something like this now. I'll deliberately see how I can be able to use different family, use different standard. So if I put let's say I want to use a DIN so that I can show you the different dimensions and how they work. For this a DIN, for this now watch please, I can say let me use okay, that's a DIN, then a big one. Okay, let's work with this rectangle, then let's use a bigger size. So if you click on this now, it shows you a preview of how it look like this. So if I come to this part now, I click here, it shows me a preview of how it's going to look like. It's in the full length. So if I come to this part, watch please. If I come here and click this now, I get a preview. So let me use this. If I click here now, 1, 2, watch please. Just showing you the preview. And I click here, 2 and 3. So I've been able to get this done like this now. Watch please. I want to show you how to put it on detailed drawing. Now I've been able to do that. Then I'll come to this size again. Let's say I want to use a smaller size. Okay. I adjusted it. Now this is the size. So if I keep on increasing the size, like from here now, watch please. It will increase. So I'll just click OK. Then okay. So I've been able to use that particular size. Now then I want to use a different size. So the purpose of me using different sizes so that when bringing out let's say a bill of material or a place bill of material, we can be able to see the different dimensions we're able to use. So if I click on Insert Frame, I come to Size again. Let's say I use a smaller size. So this is the preview. 1, 2, 3, 4. I click OK. Okay. So I have something like this. You can see very well that the sizes, let me put it on the regular isometric. The sizes they are of different sizes. So watch this. Now, if I come to this area, now, I come Insert Frame. I want to use a smaller size also. I come here. I click here, 1, click here, 2. Now, mind you, they are active on the center. So I can come here. Let's see if I click here. Let's say it appears. Are you seeing it? So if I click here, it comes to the center. I guys seen it. Let me go over it again. So if I click here now, see it goes up. If I click here, it comes like this. If I zoom in, I click here, it's like this. So if I zoom in, I click here, it appears like this now. It's now in the middle. But if you click just this line, watch, get to see how it is now. Watch. Then now watch, and I click here. Then if I click OK, okay. So I'll be able to have something like this now. Now let's see. Now see something like this. Let's see if we can be able to. Let's see if we can be able to use the meter. Watch. So if I click on meter now, watch please. I click here 1 and I click here. I click OK. Let's see what happens. Are you guys seeing it? Right, there's a little issue. So let's see if I can tap Ctrl Z. Watch. I click meter because there's watch. I click here, here, and here. Let's see. Let's see if it organizes itself. I see. I see what's happening, which is wrong. So Ctrl 7. So let's see what please. I click meter. I click just here and here. See the preview. It shows you the preview on how it's going to look like. Why we are doing this is because they are not of equal length. They are not of equal size. Sorry. So if I click watch, if I click meter, I click here and here. See the preview. Now it's excluding this part. Excluding this part, which is not supposed to be so. Now let me show you something. I want to keep it. I really wanted to keep it like this, but since they are not of equal length, they will certainly respond in a manner that is not good for us. Watch. This is not right, but I just want to show you how to bring out your bill of materials and getting your job done. So now watch please. So if I click here now on the dimension, I right click and I click on visibility, I have something like this. I have something like this. I call it assembly 3. Now I go to file, I go to my file, I click on new, and I want to put it on drawing, like a detailed drawing. I click here, go to base. What do I want to bring out? It's the previous job I did. And I don't want to bring, I just want to, like this now, I'll click home. So this is what I want to bring. So I want a suitable size that could be comfortable with me. Let me see. Okay, I'll just tap OK. So I can double click. You have to double click so I can bring out, it brings out this color preview. Then I click OK. Watch. Okay. Now I've been able to have something like this now, as you can see. Now I come to annotate. We have different types of balloon. You want to do it yourself or want to use an auto balloon. So if we click on auto balloon, now you click on this area, annotate auto balloon. You select placement around. So want to be around this area. You have to highlight it. This is what we want to work with. You highlight it. The select placement is around the body. Are you seeing it? So I'm doing it around, like let it be around the body. And after getting something like this now, I click on offset spacing, if there's a particular spacing you want to use, it's good to. So you click on apply, okay, so cancel. So I've been able to get this now. Watch please. Now I can come here, I can try to come here. Once you move, let's say escape, then you click on this, you have this sign, I'm coming. I have to move close. So I want to see how I can be able to adjust it myself. Watch please. Not this, I'm not I don't want to adjust. You see what I want to adjust. Now I'm comfortable with this, like this. I'm comfortable with it being like this. Then if you can see they are scattered, so I'll come here, I'll drag it here. I'll bring this now. This particular, where is it pointing? This particular work is pointing here. So I'll take it to that place it's pointing. Look at, so let's say I want here, in this particular work, I'll come here. Something like this, I'll come here. You adjust them to, these are balloons, you adjust them. Something like this now. When you see that sign, then you come, you adjust, maybe it's too close or you take it out, depending on what you're comfortable with. So after doing that now, I've been able to get the different balloons. Let's say I'm not comfortable with this particular location. I think you can also see how you can move it. So this is it. Now please watch. See? Now I've been able to get this done. Then let's see how we can be able to bring out the part list. So come to this place, click on part list. What is it you want to part list? So you have to see how this is what we want to part list. But that's not what we want to part list. So select. Okay, let's see if it comes out. Let me go over it again. Control Z, you click on part list. They already know what is the document that you want to part list. This is the document you want to part list. So you just click here. Just click here. This is, you have clicked on it, then it will just part list for you. Click OK. You come here, you drop it down. Now you've been able to get that. Then how do I see if there are some quantities I don't want, there are some things I don't need. Let's see how to effect them. So I'll come here. There's some things you don't need on the part. You have to effect the change. All you have to do, double click on the table. This is the table. Double click on the table. Then you come to this part, column chooser. So let's say, for example, I do not like the word quantity. I can come here, quantity, and I'll click remove. Then I want to use item. Let's say item quantity. I'll come here and I'll put add. Then I don't like the location where it is. I'll click up, move up, and I click move up, and I'll click OK. I'll click OK. So you get to see the number of quantity I was able to put. And let's say, for example, you double click, you don't like the way it is written. So I'll come here and I have this table layout. You also have a table layout. You don't like the name, you can come here, part based, you can change it if you want to. Then the note size, because we're already working with the standard note size. Anything you want to adjust, you see how you can adjust it. You click OK. You can right click format column. So you come here, and when you click on format column, you say part number. You can say part number, something like this. So just click OK, then click OK. So you have it as part number. You have something like this now. So I've been able to get this done, just showing you how to work with your balloons and bring out your parts list. Then if there's any other information you want to input, any other information here, you can come to this place, your title block. At this point, you come here, then you edit. If there's something you want to put, maybe a company name, you want to impute card parole. So I highlight it and make the font size 6. Come here and put yellow. Click OK. Making it bold, and I click OK. So I have it as card baron. So then I'm finished sketch. Yes. So I'm okay with this. Just showing you how to bring out this information. And if you want to go ahead to see how you can be able to dimension, you can be able to input your dimensions if you want to. But that's on also one of our videos. So okay guys, we have been able to see how we can play around this interface and be able to bring out the quantity, the part number, and the description. Okay guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you.